Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable sharing your birthday on Viber. That means you don't want your contacts, your friends to receive when it's your birthday because they can receive a notification when it's your birthday in their chat, one-to-one in your chat. Even if you don't have a chat, they can receive that it's your birthday. So first off, we're gonna start off by going to our settings. Here we have multiple options, so we're going to select the second one that says privacy. Now we're going to scroll down. As you can see, you have the option share your birthday, and it says allow friends to be notified on your birthday. So for example, we don't want that. It's defaultly and currently set to on, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off just by clicking on it. And now it's off. They won't receive a notification, they won't be notified, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.